We've rounded up some of the best ideas to earn passive income, no matter what your stage of life. Whether you want to invest more, start a passive income business, or just generate money while you sleep, we've got you covered. Here are some of our favorite ways to earn passive income. 1. Vending machine business. Vending machines are everywhere, and owning a vending machine business can net you some passive income. While you will need to collect cash and restock the machines regularly, these tasks could be hired out to make the business more hands-off. There are ongoing costs for operating the business, but if you pick a good location and snacks, you can out-earn those expenses for a tidy profit. 2. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are investment companies that own assets related to real estate, such as buildings, land, and real estate securities. Real estate investment trusts are typically available publicly traded company shares, similar to stocks, making them easy for investors to purchase and less risky for investors to own, because they are well-diversified and liquid investments. These investments are truly passive, as the REIT companies pay investors in the forms of dividends derived from rental, management, and other real estate income. 3. ERB. If you want a quick way to earn some extra cash, ERB allows you to rent out a room or your whole house online. Renters can book your place, pay you in advance, and even cover additional fees such as cleaning. ERB rentals can earn you thousands per month, depending on your location and the size of your property. 4. Sell an online course. Do you enjoy teaching others a skill you have acquired? Maybe you play a musical instrument or understand how to trade stocks. If you want to generate a passive income source online, creating and selling an online course is a great way to do it. You can create a simple course using platforms like Udemy or Teachable, offer video lessons in a step-by-step format, and charge a competitive price. 5. Sell a digital product. Selling digital products online can be a great way to create passive income online. One popular method is to create an ebook that solves a user's problem or teaches them a new skill, such as how to invest. While it takes some work up front, the great part about a digital product is you can earn money from it over and over again without any extra effort besides ongoing marketing. 6. Advertise with your car. Did you know some companies will pay you to wrap your car with a banner advertisement? Companies like Sticker Ride connect brands with car owners to wrap vehicles in advertisements. Users can download the app, select an advertisement, and the Sticker Ride team will wash and wrap the car. When driving, users must activate the app and will get paid for miles driven. If you don't mind being a rolling advertisement, this is a great way to passively earn. 7. Buy bonds. A bond is an agreement between an investor and a bond issuer, where the investor loans money in exchange for interest and the return of principal at maturity. Bonds are considered a fixed income investment, as returns are predictable, and interest is paid regularly. This is a simple way to earn passive income and requires no work on your part. Simply pick a bond or bond fund, invest your money, and collect interest. 8. Dividends. Dividends are payments from corporate earnings to company shareholders as a reward for owning the stock. Dividends can come in the form of cash or extra company shares, and some dividends can be immediately reinvested back into the company to purchase more shares. Investors can earn dividends directly from company stock, through a dividend mutual fund, or through an exchange-traded fund that pays dividends. 9. Create print-on-demand designs. This is a low-overhead, low-investment way to build a little passive income. In our house, Merch by Amazon is a fun little side business and generates around $60 to $100 a month for us. How it works is you upload t-shirt designs to Amazon, and the e-commerce giant does the rest. When someone orders it, they'll print it in the size and color selected and ship it to the customer. You earn the spread between whatever price you set and the cost to print it. 10. Sell your photos. If you take photos as a hobby or a side hustle, you can sell them as stock photos online. Uploading your photos to a marketplace like depositphotos.com allows you to sell your photos, receiving a commission each time someone makes a purchase. This can become passive over time, as your uploaded photos can be purchased over and over again, generating your income with no extra effort. This list could be much longer, but I included what I personally think are the most important ones. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of our content, then hit the subscribe button and the bell besides it, so the next video will appear right on your homepage. Thanks for watching, and until next time.